Hey, what's up guys? So now I'm about to go get my dog. I'm gonna have to go all the way to Arizona to go get my dog. And the thing is, I haven't even told my dad yet that I'm gonna get a dog. So right now, I'm gonna have to go tell him that I'm about to go get a dog. So hopefully he says okay, because I have to go all the way to Arizona, which is pretty far. So let's see how this goes then. Voy a ir a la casa de Sergio ahorita.
¿Qué?
Agarrar un perro.
¿Pero qué quieres el perro?
¿Qué?
¿Para qué quieres un perro?
O sea, mucho dinero.
No, no quiero perros aquí. Ya no quiero ni un perro más aquí.
So my dad basically said no, he doesn't want a dog, but I'm still gonna get it anyways. Cause I know my dad's always like this. He says no, but then when you get it, he lets us keep it. So I'm gonna get it anyways. And hopefully he doesn't really actually make me get rid of it. So it's a 50-50 chance. So hopefully I could go get this dog then. So I just got here to my my coach's house. He's the one that's gonna be taking me to Arizona. So I'm here already. So now it's time to go ring on his doorbell. Come here, baby. So this is my coach's dog. Her name's Bailey. I don't know what type of dog it is. I forgot. But she's really nice. Come on, let's go. Bailey! Ah! Get away from me.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.
Right now, I'm waiting for my dog. This guy is about to come and he's about to bring me the dog right now. So we're just waiting on him right now, and I'm about to get my little puppy. Put him down, mijo. Frank! 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 Frank!
He's never been around the dogs except for his mom and dad.
Frank! Frank! Come on, Frank.
Está muy bien.
Frank! Come here, Frank! Frank, come here! Frank! He's scared. Frank, come here. Come here, Frank. Come here. Frank, Frank. Frank, come here. Come here. Frank, get it. Get it, boy. Get it. Who's my new puppy? Who's my new puppy? Hey, come here, Frank. Come here, Frank. Oh, you're so cute. Come here, Frank. 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 Oh, my. You're so nice, Frank. Oh, my God, Frank. You're so cute, dude. Oh, my God. Look at this fucking puppy. Frank. Oh, Frank. Ah, Frank, Frank. Get up, Frank. Get up. Get up, Frank. Oh, my Frank. Frankie, Frank. Come here, Frank. Come here, Frank. Oh, you're so nice, Frank. Oh, my God, dude. Look at this little puppy, dude. Oh, my God. He's so cute. Come here, Frank. Come here, Frank. You don't let me take a photo of you, Frank. I want to take a photo of you if you don't let me. You're so hyper. Oh, you're so nice, Frank. Wow. Frank. Oh, my first dog is so cute, dude. Frank. Come here, Frank. Oh, my God. What the hell? You're so cute, Frank. Oh, but look at your little tail. Oh, my Frank. Oh, my God, dude. Frankie, Frank. Where you going, Frank? Frank. Frank? Don't leave me, Frank. You smelling another dog's poop over there. Frank, what are you doing, bro? Oh, Frank! Frank! Frank, bro, Oh, Frank. Oh, where are you going, Frank? Yeah, Frank. Oh my God, this looks so cute. Frankie, Frank. Oh, your little tongue. Oh my God, dude. I gotta start recording, dude. I need to play with them. Dude, I need to show you guys how cute he is. Look at him. Oh my God, Frank! Oh, Frank, you didn't even finger! Frank! Oh my God, dude, you're so cute. Frank! Oh, Frank! Look at you, Frank! Frank, we're going now! Oh my God, look at how fucking cute he is. Look at him. What are you doing, Frank? What are you doing, Frank? Ah, Frank! Frank, look at me! Ah! Frank! Ah!
No, I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess that I just thought maybe we could find new ways to fall apart. But our friends are back, so let's raise a town. 'Cause I found some.
Frank! Oh, Frank! So, this is where Frank's gonna be living, in my room. How you doing, Frankie Frank? So right now, Frank told me he's hungry, so I'm about to give him some of his food. Look at him. He knows he wants it. Alright, let me just put this around my neck. Alright, Frank, you want the food, huh? You little ugly alien? Oh, no, not yet. Back off. Here comes the food. Here it comes. It's okay. There you go. Munch down, boy. It's okay. Munch down. There you go. Eat everything. Eat all of that up. There you go. Frank. Yeah, so it's gonna be cool having my little puppy around. Stop dropping the food, Frank. Man. Alright, guys. So, see, let me just make sure my hair looks good, you know what I mean? Alright, looks good right there. Alright, so hope you enjoyed the vlog, you know what I mean? I'm so happy. This is my first dog ever. And you know, you're gonna see him in my future videos later on. So hopefully you enjoy the video. I want you to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and you know, 21, that's my little gang now. 21. Alright? So you know what I'm saying? So you know, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and me and Frank will see you guys later. Right, Frank? Say something. Oh, yeah, that was a sign. Alright, guys, peace out.